All right, today we got a quick video. I'm going to show you the discounts that we have for the RYZE TELLO or the DJI RYZE TELLO. And if you go up to Google and put in the link that I have at the bottom for the TELLO, and we add it to cart, and view in cart. So you have to be logged in as usual, and you have to select which one. So I have the three of them selected. So if you're just buying one, because you can only do one at a time, you make sure it's selected and then go down to your coupon code and then type in 9FC108. And you'll see it's $39 off and get you $90.99. And that is for the TELLO itself. For the gamepad, if you just wanted a gamepad, go ahead and select that. So again, all these three wouldn't be up there. You would just select it with the link that I have at the bottom. And then here you put in code parts 8, hit apply, and get you $3.12 off, which makes it $35.85 for the controller itself. And again, if we go down and we want the TELLO and the controller, there's a coupon for that. And we can go there and type in HoneyBG, hit apply, and you get $8.40 off, which would make it $131.59. So these are the coupon codes that we have for the TELLO right now. I believe the best one is for the TELLO itself, making it $90.99. So that seems to be the best deal that I can find right now for the TELLO. So go ahead and check that out and look at my other videos. I have different discounts down there, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll keep updating codes and sales that I find. All right, we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.